Time to create a fun drink with this whiskey smoker set. So I went ahead and pre-freezed my little ice cube ball. This thing is so cool. I could totally see using it for summer punches. Then grab your electric smoker sets. It does twist apart, and this is where you're going to grab your wood of choice and then use their little spoon, and you don't need much. Like this, it seems odd, but you just need a little bit. On this run, I actually ran it twice and I still didn't burn through all of the wood, but I absolutely love how the wood smells. I'm totally a campfire girl, so this is right up my alley, even for just putting a little bit of a natural aroma in the home. Then just twist it back into place, pop it on there, and hold the button until it turns green. So I sped up this round, but you can see how the ice ball is moving as the smoke enters the cup. So then I ran it a second time, and this time it seemed to go much faster, and you could really see the smoke inside the jar. So I think it's kind of personal preference how many times you run it into a jar. But like I said, even after 2 runs, I barely burned up the wood that was in there. And it was just so fun to just pull the cap off and see all the smoke and have it kind of fill the room with that smoky aroma. Then just to kind of show you, and it wasn't hot on the bottom, although I wouldn't touch the bottom of that little ball, but it did just twist apart, and this is how much I actually burnt up running it on those 2 cycles. So just so you kind of have an idea for when you go to fill yours the next time.